We all know the feeling. You want to relax after a long day, but remember that you still have to go through your nightly skincare routine. But what if there was a better way? What if you could choose one serum that would replace your complex skincare routine? Our serums provide enough moisture, energy, and various functional ingredients deep into the skin at night when skin regeneration is the most active. Our serums can give you the confidence that your skin looks and feels at its best when you wake up. In addition, these serums do not contain light-sensitive ingredients, so you can use them during the day. Rejuvenating Stress Relief Serum is packed with magical ingredients that will soothe, regenerate, and hydrate your skin, all in just a few minutes. It also repairs damage and stimulates collagen production, keeping the skin supple and youthful. For the maximum effect, we do not recommend using other products within 10 minutes of this serum. Brightening Even Tone Serum, with its excellent antioxidant agents, effectively inhibits the production and oxidization of melanin pigments and blocks the movement of melanin pigments to keratinocytes, making tired and dull skin into clear and healthy skin. In addition, it is particularly effective against inflammation and pigmentation caused by acne due to its intense anti-inflammatory action. This serum is designed to work according to the normal skin regeneration cycle of 28 days. Firming Uplift Serum promotes cellular respiration of the skin and interacts with fat cells to activate the division and growth of fat cells. So it is very effective in improving fine lines on the skin. Also, it strengthens the skin cells in the dermis layer to improve wrinkles and increase the skin's elasticity within up to 84 days. The amount absorbed deeply into the skin varies depending on age and skin tissue condition. So we recommend using a sufficient amount of our serum before going to sleep.